and good morning, everyone. I'm Sahana, Student Activities Committee Coordinator at BMSC IEEE Student Branch, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to Extreme Sprint, an 8-hour global level codathon organized by BMSC IEEE Student Branch in collaboration with Geeks for Geeks, IEEE Bangalore section, and IEEE Madras section. Extreme Sprint is not just a codathon, it's a culmination of everything we've explored and learn past 10 days throughout Extreme 101, a 10-day boot camp to think, solve, and code like an engineer. Congratulations to all participants for successfully completing the boot camp. You have come a long way from understanding fundamental problem-solving techniques to now putting your skills to test in the global level preparatory contest for IEEE Extreme 19.0. Before we dive into the challenge, let's quickly go through a few important rules and regulations about the event. Firstly, participants, you will not be able to switch tabs during the contest. If done, it will lead to disqualifications. Multiple submissions are also not allowed, so please make sure to submit your answers only once. Devices must remain powered throughout the codathon, so please ensure that they are all adequately charged, and also make sure to switch on the sleep mode if it is switched on. Now, AI tools can be used as a reference, but not for direct copy pasting of the code. There will be automatic plagiarism checks which will be conducted, and they will be. And if you guys, if those you will not be able to get any marks, copy pasting the code will also lead to direct disqualification and this revoked. The winners announced for work after. To be eligible for the certificate of participation, participants must complete 3 coding problems and 5 MCQs. Now, before the test, please ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a computer or tablet which has an updated web browser. Fully charge your device and keep it plugged in throughout the test so that you do not accidentally get disqualified by switching it off. Prepare a quiet and comfortable place to from all the interruptions so that you can concentrate on the competition. Log into the test platform on time. Follow the instructions to verify your identity if required. Do not open any other tabs or applications during the test. If Also make sure to have activated the cookies button if to avoid any technical glitches. Avoid using calculators, mobile phones, or any other electronic devices. In case of technical issues, please contact the support team immediately. Uh, so there will be a penalty rule addition and implementation. So firstly, there will be a 5% penalty for each wrong submission. For example, let's say you're attending a problem worth 100 marks, and if you make a wrong submission, your score will be reduced to 95. So after another wrong submission for the same problem, it will be reduced further to 90.25, and this will go on till you make a right submission. So we strongly recommend you use a compile and test against sample test before making a final submission. This penalty rule will be displayed to you guys and will be applied in real time during the score evaluation as well. Now, before submission, please review your answers and ensure you submit your test before the time expires. Confirm the submission on the test platform. By following all of these instructions, you'll be well prepared to complete the aptitude test. The evaluation will be conducted independently by Geeks for Geeks, and the decision will be final and binding. The organizing committee will not be involved in the evaluation process. So, strictly adhere to these rules, and non-compliance will lead to disqualification. Again, please remember, do not switch tabs during the contest and ensure your screen remains active throughout. Turning off your device or screen may lead to disqualification. We would also like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to IEEE Bangalore section for their incredible support and guidance. Ninada Ranga, IEEE Extreme 19.2 Bangalore section lead, Ramgiri, IEEE Extreme 19.0 Bangalore section co-lead, and Prerika IEEE Extreme 19.0 Bangalore section co-lead. Thank you for helping us make this event possible. If you face any queries or technical issues during the contest, please drop them in the WhatsApp group. If your concern isn't resolved there, you may reach out on Discord, but kindly do so using another device to avoid switching tabs during the contest. With that, we officially begin Extreme Sprint. Give it your best shot, stay focused, and most importantly, enjoy the process. All the very best to each one of you. Let's get started, and as always, happy coding. The rules and regulations have been shared in the WhatsApp group as well. So please make sure to go through it once again if you have any doubts. The contest link has also been sent in the WhatsApp group. Please go through the YouTube video for the YouTube tutorial for registration contest. It has also been given, the link has also been shared in the WhatsApp group. Please make sure to go through all of this before you start the contest. Guys, as mentioned before, the contest link has been given in the WhatsApp group. You can all start the contest now. If there are any queries, please put it in the WhatsApp group. If not resolved, please uh, put it on Discord. Make sure to do it from another device so that you do not switch tabs during the contest.